Hello everyone, Rahul Kumar this side. So today we will discuss about what is object in Salesforce. Okay, so in our previous video we have created one dream house application and now I want to build a custom property object that is store information about the homes his company is selling. Before that, we need to know about object. That what is an object in Salesforce. In Salesforce, an object is a database table that is stored data specific to a business organization. Objects are the building blocks of the Salesforce CRM platform and are similar to spreadsheet. Okay, if you don't know about database, so we can compare here with a Excel sheet. Okay, so you have all work on Excel sheet here. So we are calling one Excel sheet here as a table, right? And that table we are going to call as an object in Salesforce. Okay, to store data, you are going to create here table, and in Salesforce we are going to call those database table as an object. Okay, so in this table you can see we have property name, price, bedrooms, bathrooms, these all different columns here, and in all columns we have some values there. Okay, so now property name, this is one column. Price, this is another column, right? In Salesforce, we will call these columns as a field. Okay. Here we are calling column, but in Salesforce, we are calling this as a field. And then we are storing information in these all fields, right? So in each row, you can see in row number 2, we have this data. In row number 3, we have this data. In row number 4, we have this data. Okay, so we are calling each row as a record. Okay, this one row is a one record in Salesforce. Okay, and if you will focus on particular value, so that value is entity. Okay, so I hope this is clear that table in database or in Excel sheet we are calling as an object in Salesforce, and a column of table that we are calling here as a field in Salesforce, and a row of the table is called as a record in Salesforce. Okay, so this is clear now that in database we are storing data in table, and that table we are calling here as an object in Salesforce. So when you will go to create object, so you will get different types of object in Salesforce here. So in Salesforce, you will get standard object, custom object, external object, platform events, and big object. Okay, so in this video, we will focus on two most common type of object. One is a standard object and second one is custom object. So standard object are those objects that are included in Salesforce already. Okay, so if you will go in Salesforce, you will see a lot of application there. Open any application and you will get a lot of object already provided by Salesforce, like account object, contact, lead, opportunities, and many more. So these all object are standard object. Okay, second one, custom object. Custom object are those objects that are created to store information that's specific to your company or industry. Okay, you are getting some data that we need to store in Salesforce and we are not getting similar objects. So we need to create a custom object to store that data. Okay, so we can create a new custom object also. So we will create a custom object by the name of property that will store information about whom his company is selling. Okay, so objects are container for your information, but they also give you a specific functionality. For example, when you create a custom object, the platform automatically builds things like page layout or the user interface. Okay, so how we can create an object? So you need to go and you need to click on gear icon that we are calling as in setup. Okay, And then you will go into object manager, and then you can create a custom object. Okay, so I need to create a custom object by the name of property. So let's go into your org and see how we are creating an object. So click on setup. So for all object, you will get list of all object into object manager here. You can see we have a lot of objects that are provided by Salesforce, and these all are standard object. Okay. And here you can see we are getting API name account, label is account, API name is account, and type is a standard object. Okay. I will also discuss about custom object API name later, but let's go and create custom object. So you need to go and click on create and click on custom object. Okay. And then in label, you need to write here property. Okay. Then we have plural label. In plural label, you need to write the plural name for this. So for property, I will go to write here properties. Okay. What is the use of this plural label? Okay. When you will see this object in your application, so on tabs, you will get your tab name by this plural label. Okay. So we are going to use here plural label as properties, object name. Object name, this is your API name. Okay. This is label that a user will see, and this is object name that Salesforce will use internally. Okay. And then we have description. So in this description, you can provide the purpose that why we are creating this custom object. Okay. Then we have context sensitive help settings. So here we are getting two options: open the standard salesforce.com help and training window, or open a window using a Visualforce page. So Visualforce page is a custom user interface, and you can create a new Visualforce page and you can open in your help window there. Okay. And first one is the standard salesforce.com help and training window. So I will go with first one for now. Then we are getting enter record name, label, and format. So in each custom object, you will get 4 standard field there. Okay. You will get owner, you will get created by, you will get modified by, and you will get one name field. And you can see you are getting here record name, and here you can see the information. The record name appears in page layout, key list, related list, lookup, and search result. For example, the record name for account is account name, and for case is case number. Note that the record name field is always called name when referencing by the API. Okay, I'm going to write here property name, but the API name will be name only. I'm going to change this property type, but the API name will be name only here. Okay, I will show you. Then we have data type. So here you will get two types of data type, text and auto number. In case of text, you can provide text value here. In case of auto number, you can provide auto number here, right? So I need to put the text. I'm going to use text here. Then optional features, allow report. This for this custom object, report type will created. Allow activity, you will get one activity there. Track field history will active for this object. Allow in chatter group, this field will be available in a chatter group there. Then we have enable licensing. So this is in beta development mode. So Salesforce is working on this right now. You don't need to make any change in object classification, leave as it is. Deployment status. If you are thinking that you need to work on this object, this is not complete till now. So you can go in development. And if all things are good, and you can also start work on this object. So you need to select deploy there. Search status. When you will select this allow search here. Okay. So after selecting this allow search for this object data, the data will be available in global search. Okay. If you need to search record, you are going in global search there. And when you will search data, so only you will get data for this object if this allow search is active there. Then we have object creation option, and these options only available right now in first creation time. We can create from another ways, but in object you will not get these two options here. First one is add notes and attachment related list to default page layout. So you will get one notes and attachment related list there. And launch new custom tab wizard after saving this object. If you need to see this object into your app launcher or in your tab navigation area, then you need to create a custom tab wizard for this. Okay, so I'm going to select this launch new custom tab wizard, and then let's go and click on save here. We have created this object, and now we are here to create a custom object tab. Okay, so object is property, and here we are getting tab style. So we can select a tab style for this object. So tab style means when you will open this object, so you will get one icon there. I will show you this one. Okay, so I'm going to select here. Let me select real estate side. Then we have a splash page. So there is no splash page here. I'm going to leave as it is and then click on next. This tab will be available to which profile. So I'm going to select default on to all and then click on next. In which application you want to add this? So I will go to add only in my dream house. So select dream house here and then click on save. And that's it. We have created our custom object by the name of dream house. Okay. I told you that I will show you custom object also in that list. So let's go and see your property object there. Okay, search for property here. Okay, so you can see label is property and API name you are getting here property __ C, and this is custom object. Okay, so what is different in between standard and custom? You can understand by the API name. If you are getting __ C in any API name, then you can easily understand that this is custom object or custom field. Okay, when we will create custom field, so you will get API name like with __ C suffix. Clear? Okay, so we have created one custom object by the name of dream house. So like this, we can create a custom object. So let me go to search here, property. Okay, I need to refresh. Okay, so let's go and click on property tab here. And here you will get all the data. So we are here first time. Okay, so this is blank right now. If you need to create a record, okay, then you can go and you can go to click on new here and then provide your property name, for example, XYZ, and then click on save. So it will create a new record for you. Okay. Now we will discuss about fields. Like what are the different types of field we have. So in our next video, we will discuss about fields, that how we are going to create field in this object and what are the different types. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and share my videos and comment to me if you need to see any other videos. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye everyone.